Welcome to Study Care. In this video, we are going to discuss about Indian history. 50 important questions, which was important for SSC 12 level exam and for CTET exam also. Let's begin.
Prehistoric period. Questions 1. Which age is known as the Old Stone Age? Answer. Paleolithic Age. Questions 2. What was the main occupation of Paleolithic people? Answer. Hunting and gathering. Questions 3. Where was the first evidence of agriculture found in India? Answer. Mehrgarh. Questions 4. What tool is associated with the Mesolithic Age? Answer. Microliths. Questions 5. Where is Bhimbetka, famous for prehistoric cave paintings, located? Answer. Madhya Pradesh. Indus Valley Civilization, Harappan Civilization. Question 6. Who discovered Harappa in 1921? Answer. Daya Ram Sahni. Question 7. Which site is famous for the Great Bath? Answer. Mohenjo-daro. Questions 8. What material was mainly used for making tools in the Harappan Civilization? Answer. Stone and copper. Questions 9. The dockyard of the Indus Valley Civilization was found at which site? Answer. Lothal. Questions 10. Which Harappan site is in Haryana? Answer. Rakhigadi. Vedic Age. Questions 11. What are the four Vedas? Answer. Rigveda, Samaveda, Yajurveda, Atharvaveda. Questions 12. Which Veda is the oldest? Answer. Rigveda. Questions 13. What was the main occupation during the early Vedic period? Answer. Cattle rearing. Questions 14. Which metal was first used during the Vedic period? Answer. Copper. Questions 15. What are the two great epics of the later Vedic age? Answer. Mahabharata and Ramayana. Mahajanapadas and Buddhism. Question 16. How many Mahajanapadas were there? Answer. 16. Question 17. Which was the most powerful Mahajanapada? Answer. Magadha. Questions 18. Who is the founder of Jainism? Answer. Mahavira Vardhamana. Questions 19. In which year was Gautam Buddha born? Answer. 563 BCE. Questions 20. Where did Buddha attain enlightenment? Answer. Bodh Gaya. Questions 21. Which language did Buddha use to preach? Answer. Pali. Questions 22. What is the Buddhist Sangha? Answer. The community of monks. Questions 23. What are the sacred texts of Buddhism called? Answer. Tripitaka. Mauryan Empire. Questions 24. Who was the founder of the Mauryan Empire? Answer. Chandragupta Maurya. Questions 25. Who wrote Arthashastra? Answer. Kautilya, Chanakya. Questions 26. Which Mauryan ruler is known for spreading Buddhism? Answer. Ashoka. Questions 27. Where is the Kalinga located? Answer. Orissa. Questions 28. What was the symbol of Ashoka's Dhamma? Answer. Lion capital. Questions 29. Which script did Ashoka use for his inscriptions? Answer. Brahmi and Kharosthi. Post-Mauryan period. Questions 30. Who were the successors of the Mauryas? Answer. Shungas and Kambas. Questions 31. Who was the most famous ruler of the Kushan dynasty? Answer. Kanishka. Questions 32. What was the main religion during Kanishka's reign? Answer. Buddhism. Questions 33. Which council was held under Kanishka's rule? Answer. 4th Buddhist Council. Gupta period. Questions 34. Which dynasty is called the Golden Age of India? Answer. Gupta dynasty. Questions 35. Who is known as the Napoleon of India? Answer. Samudragupta. Questions 36. Who wrote Meghaduta and Abhinanashakuntalam? Answer. Kalidasa. Questions 37. What was the main religion during the Gupta period? Answer. Hinduism. Questions 38. Which Gupta ruler is associated with Nalanda University? Answer. Kumaragupta I. South Indian dynasties. Questions 39. Who were the three prominent dynasties in South India? Answer. Cholas, Chairas, and Pandyas. Questions 40. Which Chola ruler built the Brihadeshwara temple? Answer. Raja Chola I. Miscellaneous. Questions 41. What is the other name of Harappan civilization? Answer Bronze Age civilization. Questions 42. Who translated the Upanishads into Persian? Answer Dara Shikoh. Questions 43. What was the main feature of the Indus Valley civilization? Answer Urban planning. Questions 44. Who established the Sangam age? Answer Tamil kingdoms. Questions 45. Which text contains the Gayatri mantra? Answer Rigveda. Questions 46. What does the term Upanishad mean? Answer sitting near the teacher. Questions 47. Who was the last Mauryan ruler? Answer Brihadrata. Questions 48. What was the main philosophy of Jainism? Answer Ahimsa, non-violence. Questions 49. Who built the Sanchi Stupa? Answer Ashoka. Questions 50. What is the earliest known civilization in India? Answer Indus Valley civilization.
I hope this question answers help you for your exam. If you like the video, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.